Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech gear to help you make informed decisions. I'm your host, and today, we're talking about a crucial piece of networking equipment that's often overlooked: the Cable Matters all-listed rack mount. If you're serious about optimizing your network, this 24-port patch panel might be your secret weapon. We're going to break down everything you need to know about it. So, what makes the Cable Matters rack mount stand out from the crowd? First things first, this heavy-duty patch panel is designed for Cat6 cabling, but it's also backward compatible with Cat5e and Cat5. That means you're future-proofing your network for 10 gigabit Ethernet. Installation is a breeze. It fits effortlessly in universal 19 inches racks, cabinets, or wall mount brackets with a 1U standard height. It's a space saver. Ever struggled to find the right port on your patch panel? Not anymore. This panel comes with numbered ports and color-coded T568A and T568B wiring diagrams for quick reference. But here's the real kicker: gold-plated contacts ensure a correction-free connection. You won't have to worry about signal loss or interference. Safety is paramount, and this patch panel complies with all fire safety requirements. You can trust it to perform reliably while keeping your network safe. Now that we've covered the features, let's understand how the Cable Matters rack mount benefits your network. This patch panel is built for speed and reliable connectivity. It offers 10 gigabit performance, meeting TIA EIA 568C.2 standards, and even backward compatibility. It's all about future-proofing your network. The construction is rugged and durable. It's made from 1.5mm steel with gold-plated RJ45 8P8C contacts and numbered ports. You can even label spaces for easy identification. When it comes to cable management, Cable Matters has you covered. The package includes D-rings and cable ties to keep your setup neat and organized. Wondering how and where you can install this rack mount? Well, you have options. It's a standard 19 inches width with 1.75 height, perfect for rack mounting. But if you prefer a wall mount setup, you can use a 19 inches wall bracket. Versatility at its finest. Keep in mind that this package doesn't include mounting hardware, so you might need to pick that up separately. But wait, there's more. What else comes with this rack mount? You'll get cable management D-rings and cable ties to make your setup even tidier. It's all about that professional look. To sum it up, the Cable Matters all-listed rack mount is a game-changer for anyone looking to optimize their network setup. If you're serious about speed, reliability, and organization, this patch panel should definitely be on your radar. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your network's performance. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech gear, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, tech enthusiasts. Until next time, stay connected, stay tech savvy, and keep optimizing your network. See you in our next video.